More than 5 years after the Scottish Government opened an investigation into Nicola Sturgeon's conduct during the Alex Salmond's sexual assault probe, SNP ministers are still in court, attempting to block the full report from seeing the light of day. The Hamilton report, written by independent adviser and former Irish prosecutor James Hamilton, was released heavily redacted on March 22nd, 2021. The day before Mr Salmond was found not guilty of 12 charges of attempted rape, sexual assault and indecent assault at the High Court in Edinburgh. At the heart of the report was whether Miss Sturgeon misled MSPs over when she first became aware of allegations towards her mentor.
Do you understand the frustration of the committee? Do you understand that it looks as if the government doesn't want to give us critical information?
I think the government has fully cooperated with the committee, and I think it has provided information in a proper way.
3 weeks into Mr Salmond's conduct investigation, Nicola Sturgeon met with his Chief of Staff before speaking to her predecessor on the phone 3 times between April and July 2018. Despite neglecting to record these interactions and being accused of sharing an incomplete narrative of events, the Hamilton report ultimately concluded that Nicola Sturgeon had not broken the code. But it caused such a stir that Nicola Sturgeon survived a vote of no confidence that same week, brought on by then Scottish Conservative leader Ruth Davidson.
Yesterday, we publicly accepted the Hamilton report. For days, others have rejected the committees. And we note that Hamilton was crystal clear that the basis of this vote of no confidence, whether the First Minister misled this Parliament or not, is a decision for this Parliament and not for him.
Since its findings were published, the SNP has rejected Freedom of Information requests, arguing it does not hold the requested evidence, but the investigation took place under ministerial oversight. The Information Commissioner believes that the evidence is subject to right-to-know legislation, and the Scottish Government has no grounds to dismiss related FOI applications. The SNP has already spent thousands to conceal the contents of this report, and if they want to keep it that way, they must prove that the Commissioner has incorrectly applied the law. If the court chooses to back the Commissioner, detractors will be one step closer to uncovering any malfeasance from Nicola Sturgeon during this time. Tony McGuire, GB News, Edinburgh.